Hey Bob, do I have any recourse if an appraisal does not come in at the contract price?
You probably don't have much recourse if the appraisal comes in low nowadays. Before the mortgage crisis, appraisals were a little faster and looser. Banks could choose appraisers to do certain properties. Appraisers generally were from the areas that they were appraising. Appraisers had a little bit of flexibility. But after the mortgage crisis, things got tightened up, and there are more regulations on what appraisers can and can't do. And basically, the two largest restrictions on appraisers are that they can only look within a certain radius of the property for comparables type sales. That's one. And two, they can only use sales from a certain period of time, 6 months, in their appraisal process. So that limits them greatly in what they can and can't do. Furthermore, generally you only get one appraisal nowadays. Years gone by, you might have been able to get another appraiser by the same person or a different appraiser. Nowadays, it's almost one and done. There is a little limited opportunity for you or your real estate broker to try and persuade the appraiser that maybe he or she missed an item, or wasn't aware of an item, or an item was listed incorrectly on the appraisal. But you almost have to do that diplomatically, because remember, you are trying to impress the person who is going to redo the appraisal, and you really don't want to get them too ticked off and dig in with their appraisal if you tell them that they're absolutely wrong. So you would try to have to persuade them by showing them facts and figures and information probably that they did not have. And that's kind of hard because appraisers are trained and licensed, and they have just about as much or more information than we do. So the appraisal that they do is pretty much the final word, and could theoretically cause a deal to fall through or cause the homeowner to lower their price, and maybe the borrower, the buyer, to increase the amount of money that they have to put down to buy the house. So it's a very critical junction, and it's pretty much set in stone, and there are probably not many avenues of appeal. So once an appraisal is done, you're pretty much stuck with it.